Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on your Oppo Reno 7 device. Oppo Reno 7 Lite device. So, as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So you need to remember one rule. Now use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So firstly we need to take the cover off and take the brush in our hand. Then just insert the one part of the brush into the connector and try to pry the dirt out. So as you can see, my USB charging port is empty now, and now we can use it. We can use our USB charging port. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.